Hi, and welcome to our review of GrowthBar. What if you could write high-quality SEO-ready content in a fraction of the time it normally takes? Better yet, what if you had a smart assistant that could help you find the perfect keywords, analyze your competition, and even suggest exactly what topics to write about? Well, that's exactly what GrowthBar does. GrowthBar combines powerful AI writing capabilities with serious SEO tools to help bloggers, marketers, and business owners create content that ranks well on Google. But here's what makes it really interesting. It's not just another writing tool. Think of it as your personal SEO expert and content strategist rolled into one. Want to know the best keywords to target? GrowthBar shows you exactly what people are searching for and how hard it would be to rank for those terms. Curious about what your competitors are doing? It reveals their top-performing content, backlinks, and traffic numbers right inside your browser with their Chrome extension. But here's where it gets really good. Once you know what to write about, GrowthBar's AI helps create the content itself. Need a blog post outline? Done. Want help writing engaging introductions and conclusions? No problem. It even suggests images to use in your content. The AI writing assistant is powered by GPT-3, which means the content is natural and engaging, not the robotic text you might expect. You might be wondering, does it actually work? Well, with a 4.9 out of 5-star rating and over 6,000 happy clients, the results speak for themselves. Users especially love how easy it is to use. There's no complicated setup or technical knowledge required. Just tell it what you want to write about, and it guides you through the whole process. The pricing is straightforward too. You can start with a 5-day free trial to test everything out. After that, plans start at $29 per month, or you can save by going with the annual plan at $290 per year. Pretty reasonable when you consider it's replacing multiple tools and saving hours of work. Here's a cool use case. Say you run a pet supply store and want to start a blog. GrowthBar can tell you exactly what pet owners are searching for, help you write helpful articles about pet care, and make sure your content ranks well on Google. It's like having a full marketing team at your fingertips. Speaking of teams, GrowthBar works great for collaboration. Multiple people can work on content together, share research, and keep everything organized in one place. This makes it perfect for marketing agencies, content teams, or anyone working with writers and editors. This AI review has covered the highlights, but there's so much more to explore about GrowthBar. To learn more and see detailed comparisons with other tools, visit jimcarter.me and search for GrowthBar. Thanks for learning about this powerful content and SEO tool with us today.